Hi there, students. I had a request for the word grievance. So a grievance, a countable noun, or grievance, an uncountable noun as well. Okay, a grievance is when you feel angry because you think somebody has mistreated you. A grievance is a complaint, so you have a grievance against somebody. So the low pay is one of the union's main grievances against management. Yeah, this is a source of grievance. There you are, countable and uncountable. He still harbours a grievance against me for beating him in the competition. Okay, so a grievance, this is a wrong or a hardship that you have suffered. It could be real, or it just could be that that's how you feel, which are the grounds for a complaint. Okay, so a grievance, yeah, is you're angry because you've been badly treated. Yeah, literally it's something that causes grief, because that's where this word comes from, grief, sadness. But grievance, this is a feeling of being wronged, you're outraged, you're angry. So one of my neighbour's main grievances is my dog goes onto his garden and relieves himself continually. A grievance, a wrong or a hardship, yeah, which is the reason for a complaint. A grievance, a formal complaint. Yes, they use this word a grievance to talk about a formal complaint, to file a grievance against the city officials. In the past, this word grievance used to mean a feeling of hardship, to cause or to inflict hardship on somebody. But nowadays we use it to talk about the feeling that you have. You hold a grievance. A grievance is like a grudge. It's the cause for a complaint when you've been treated unfairly. I would like a chance to air my grievances. Yeah, to at least speak about the things that I think the company is doing that are unfair. Yeah, it's a feeling of resentment over something that you believe is wrong, or something that is treating people unfairly. So a grievance, a complaint, a criticism, an objection, a protest. Yeah, so I hope you have no grievances with the videos that I make. Yeah, this is because something that has happened to you and you think it's unfair, and you're angry about it, you're upset about it. Okay, so a legitimate grievance, a legitimate wrong, an injury, an injustice, but not physical injury. I suppose you could have a grievance against somebody for physical injury as well, but it's it's a feeling of resentment because somebody has done something that's just not right, it's just not fair. But notice, a grievance, it doesn't have to be real, it just has to be that you feel it's unfair. Yeah, because there's a legitimate grievance and one that doesn't have, there's no grounds for your grievance. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, if the taxes for the poor are higher than the taxes for the rich, which they are, this is a source of grievance for people. Yeah, you're complaining because you're upset, you're affronted by injustice. Yeah, you're upset by it. Let's see, grievances, if they are not dealt with, can cause real problems if they're left to ferment. Yeah, I can understand the grievance that the nurses have at the moment in the UK with the government. We need to find a way to redress the grievances. Yeah. Okay, a grievance about pay, a grievance about unreasonable working conditions. What is the real reason for your grievance? I can see you're upset, but, well, it's not clear. Okay, the management needs to address the grievances of workers. So, a grievance. Formality. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I guess you could use it informally, probably better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, well, it's related to the word grief, which talks about mourning, to grieve, to mourn, to be very distressed about something. To grieve, particularly when somebody has died. And this itself comes from Old French grever, to burden, which itself comes from gravis, heavy. Think about the word a grave, where you bury a dead body. Yeah, that's pretty serious and something to be upset about, perhaps. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A grievance.